Imagine you started creating content, you started putting so much of hard work, so much of time, your emotions, everything into it, and after so much of hard work, you finally reach the dream followers, at least the first step of the followers that you wanted to achieve. And Instagram bans your accounts, or you lose your account, or something happens and you do not have those followers anymore, like it's happening recently. I'm not saying your account is going to be banned or something, but this is what is happening right now. And the bigger point about this is that whenever you are getting followers or having so much of connections on LinkedIn or followers on Instagram, subscribers on YouTube, you are having relationships on someone else's platform. You don't own that relationship with your audience. You don't own your audience. And this is the reason why you might be hearing so many creators talk about building your own email list. And the reason behind this is you own the audience. You can reach out to them. You have their emails with you. You can always reach out to them. And the easiest way to do this is by sending out freebies. So, what are freebies? Freebies are basically any resources or knowledge that you're sharing with the public for free. Maybe you're giving them a Notion template, or you're maybe giving them a Word doc that has all the details. Those are basically freebies. So, now that you have understood why building your own audience is important and what is this freebie thing, you'll ask me, okay, but how should I do it? Let's say you are a creator and you're sharing some resources. Probably you're sharing being in tech. Let's say I'm sharing SQL notes. So if I am just putting it in a doc and sharing it and calling it a day, no use. It's gone. People are going to use the resource, but they're going to forget me. That's not how it works. But this is how I try to do it. Send the link to them in their DM, redirect them to my page, a small one page website. Nothing heavy, nothing that is going to make them bored, but in fact, going to tell them what they are going to get in the resource. Take their email and then give them the resource. This is how I'm going to get their email as well as they're going to get their resource, and there is nothing to pay for. There is no money involved. But I got the email. I'm building my email list this way. And this is exactly where Canvas Funnel comes in. I have built Canvas Funnel for the people who are just starting out, or who are not so well versed in this field, or do not have so much funds to pay for the higher tools. This is exactly for them. Instead of having to figure out how do I build a landing page, how do I collect emails, how do I deliver the freebie, how do I use the email list, how do I connect with them later, all in one platform. Now let's say I've prepared the doc, the freebie is ready, but I need something where I can share this to the people. So I'll walk you through the whole process of using the Canvas funnel. This is the home page, and if you are landing up here for the first time, click on the Get Started button and log in or create your account. And since I already have my own account, I am just going to sign in. So this is your landing page. The first thing that you'll see is how many more days are left for your free trial to end. And we'll look into all the other details soon. But first, let's see how you will create the web page. Over here, you'll see a button to click for the new freebie. Click on the new freebie button, and over here you will fill all the details for your freebie page. So basically, let's just assume I am actually making the ultimate, let's just assume I'm sharing my SQL notes, so that's what I'm going to title it as. Over here you can fill in some description that you are taking in from any other AI you want or something. I'm just writing the description or something like that, and this is the URL slug. Do not touch it. Get the free guide. This is the CTA button that the person will see after they share in your email. So you can maybe, if you're putting in a link to join the community, so you can just say join the community or something. Or since I'm putting it for the SQL nodes, I can just write give me the SQL nodes. And over here, I will have to page up. And over here, I'll have to paste a proper doc, a valid link for to be the Google Drive, a Notion, or a Word doc. So I will just do that quickly. Now that I've pasted my link, I can upload a cover image. That is option if you want. I will prefer not uploading it right now. And over here, this is the contents of your email that will be received by the person who's asking for the freebie. So the moment they give in their email and they click on the CTA button, they will be sent an email So they will get the freebie via their email as well as immediately on the screen as well. So whatever your contents you want to fill, let's say this is the subject. So I'll say, get your SQL guide. Okay, over here I can just say, see, if I don't write anything, this is what this is what they will receive in the email. Like, hi name, thanks for signing up for your freebie. This is it. This is what they will get if you don't write anything. So right now I'm not writing anything. If you can personalize the email according to yourself. So this is the thank you page. Now over here, which is basically seen after they given their email. So over here you can write a custom message. You can promote your community as well. If you, that's why I've given an extra button, an extra CTA button if you want to add or you want to redirect them to another community or another resource you want to share, something like that. So this is optional right now, so I'm not going to fill anything. Okay, so this is my web builder page where I can design my web page. So these are the sections, the hero section, the freebie preview sections. I don't want the section, so I can just remove it. I can just remove it. I want the person to know about me before they give in their email, so I can just drag it about out here. So there is this page, this is the section about the creator section. Then you can add more sections. You can add a testimonial section, an FAQ section, a social proof section, and these are many options that you can have. Once you click here, you will get options out here as well. Let's say I want the hero to be in a bold poster way, so I can change it. I want the about creator section to also be kind of brutalist, or since I want to continue the same layout, I can say bold poster, like that. I can alter the content out here. Let's say I want to change my name to Richa Sharang Third. So it will be updated here. If I want to write all of this, the code, the commas, I want to change it to, let's say, Coder's Diary. Coder's Diary. So now let's say I do not want this placeholder, I do not want this SQL note thing. I can just hide it out here. If I double click on the text over here, I can change its font, I can change the letter spacing, its section, the font size. So I have options to style my text as well. And you can also add a video. In this video, let's say I'm going for minimal. I can also add a video out here. You can change the frame and stuff. For the content, you will have to come and upload it from your video, from your device. So here, let's say I'm uploading this, the very intro of this video. This I'm uploading over here. I can change the description. Also, I have an AI to help you out over here. You can play around with it. And I just want to publish it right now. So I'm just gonna click on publish, and the page is live. You'll have to click on the view button to view the page. Voila. The page is live. We are going to, let's say I'm filling my own name, Richa, and I am filling my another account. See, I don't think give me the SQL. There it is. This is the message. I even got the email on my screen. I got the email notification. So now this is the thank you page, but now after testing this, I feel like I want to add an extra button of an extra resource, or maybe to join my community. I'll go back to where I was editing the tab and I click on the freebie details. So over here you can basically change the details that you had filled before you came into the uh, builder page. So over here I again have this button. So I'll say thanks for coming here. I'll say join us, and I will just put a redirection link to over here only, because I'm not clicking. Yeah, this is a symbol right now. So I'm just gonna do that, and I'll say save changes. Okay, it will be updated here, so you just have to refresh it once to see the updates. Any changes you make, you can see the updates after the refresh. And there you have another button out here, and when you click on join us, it is redirected to here. Right now it is opening because I am signed in from the same account. If you try this, if someone else tries this, it won't open because authentication है भाई, क्या कर रहे हो? Obviously, I did not want every creator's page to look the same, so I added some styling. You can choose the templates you want and style it according to yourself. Basically, the goal is the page should feel like you, and I'm still working on making it as better as I can. Now comes the main part. Let's say people signed up for your freebie, then you are generating leads. So instead of being confused about who subscribed to it, who has downloaded it, so this is how you can see it. If you want to look for a particular resource or a particular freebie that you had given out, you can just click info view analytics. Over here you will see all the necessary analytics about that page, when it was launched, how many views you had, how many registration, the conversion rate, and there is a graph that is making it things easy for you all. We'll get back to what is this UTM link builder, where the visit and the next part, but this is where you will see about the registrations, that who all people registered from this freebie. Then if you want to see in total how many leads you currently have, this is where you come and you can see the leads here. And if you have a person who is repeatedly signing up for your profile, or who's more interested in what you do, you will see this repeat tag over here, that this person is being seen more in the freebies, and these people are signing a lot more. And the source freebie, the one which is right now, will be the updated one. Let's say you have a list of emails, you have a list of people who have collected your freebie. You just don't want to ghost them, right? You can't just, okay, take this freebie, now I have your email, now I'm just going to sit like this. You're going to send something, any new update about it, any new thing you're posting about, any new resource that you're going about, you can broadcast the emails. The email list is ready, you just have to broadcast the emails. Then come back again to the all leads. Over here you will see an option to send a broadcast, and this is where you send the broadcast from. Over here I can select the people I want to send it to. Then I can select the people I want to send it to. Then there is the subject. There is over here your email subject will come. Over here your body will come, and over here you'll get a preview of how it will look. And over here you can see the history of the broadcasts you have done before. And if you already have an email list of people that you have been working on from before, obviously you will not start from zero. So you can import that CSV here, and then you can use the whole email list. There is an option to import it at the all leads page as well. You can import your CV here, or you can import your CSV, not CV, my bad. You can import your CSV over here as well. Even if you upload it out here, it will be reflected in your main page on your main site. So that's not a worry. You can import it wherever you want. Another thing is you can export your list as well. Again, on the all leads page there is an option to export the CSV as well. But how will you know that which platform is giving me so much of reach? Which platform is actually converting? It is Instagram, is it YouTube, is it LinkedIn, is it Reddit? How will I know that? So while we were looking at the analytics of each page, looking at the section, I said we'll get back to this. This is the section that I was talking about. In the analytics page, you can see where the users are coming from, and you can see where the users are coming from. And what is this UTM link builder? It's basically, if you're sharing the link of a particular resource on Instagram, select the Instagram option, and then copy this link and share it on your Instagram. If you're sharing it on your YouTube, copy this link and share it on your YouTube. So it is only then that it will track from which platform you are getting more views or more leads. Or if you want to see it in an overall way, you can come to analytics as well, and over here as well you can see where are the organic traffic sources, where are the people coming in from, where are the leads coming in from. But over here there is no link option. So the thing to remember is, whenever you're sharing your freebie across various platforms, use the links that are specific to that platform, and that way you'll be able to track from where the traffic is coming in. And let me make one thing clear. If you're thinking that I need a lot of followers before I start this, most of the creators are suggesting that the early you start building your email list, the better it is. So even if you have 500 followers and you have something useful for them, just share it. It can be PDF or Notion list, anything. It works and it matters. And the reason that I actually built the Canvas funnel was for the creators who were just starting out, because the tools that are out there right now are costly and are not something at least I could afford, or people like me who are just starting out, who are getting into content creation so that they can build their income, be financially independent. They cannot afford spending 2000 a month on a tool, and that also there are certain limits to it. So this is the main reason I built Canvas funnel. And now coming to the pricing, if you're thinking it's very expensive, it is not. For the first month it is free. You can try out all the features. There are no limitations on the features. You can try out all the features. But the only small request that I have is that since this is in the beginning stage and we are still working on the marketing, a little bit of feedback from your end would do a lot. It would mean a lot. Again, it's just a request, but it is free for the first month, and then it is just rupees 99 a month. Yes, just rupees 99, 1099. But I'll also be honest with you, Canvas funnel has been launched recently and I'm still learning, testing. The loop is going on, testing, implementing, you implementing the feedbacks that are coming from you all, and it is still in the building stage. But it is suitable if you're just starting out. So, what are you waiting for? If you are a creator who's just starting out, who's not starting out, who is already has a good audience but has some financial issues, what are you waiting for? Go play around with it. It is free for the first whole month and you can use it freely. You can try out all its features. You can reach out to me if you have any better suggestions, or you need something like you need some guidance on how to use a feature or anything. You can reach out to me in my Insta DMs at any point of time. So go try it around. I'm leaving the link in the description, and if you do try it, please mention in the comment that you tried it. Will mean a lot to me. Also, if you're interested in watching me figure out my journey, I am also a college student who's figuring out life. Do subscribe, because the chaotic videos, the figuring out videos, these such challenges, all the product details will be coming every week. So subscribe.